Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Zeria anti-cellulite oil subscription, or if you have purchased any product on this platform like Zeria, so how you can cancel your subscription. So as you know, by default, when you make a purchase on their website, they have option like subscribe and save, and by default they have turned on the option. And when you are not a technical person, and by mistakenly if you have taken subscription, if you have placed your order, so they will activate subscription, and if you want product or not, they will charge on your account. So how we can cancel it? So basically cancellation is little bit hard. So what you have to do, you need to provide at least 5 to 7 days notice period, or you need to cancel your subscription 5 to 7 prior to your next billing date. This is the first thing you need to keep in your mind before, because they have only one option to cancel your subscription, and this method will take some time. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you need to compose an email. Okay, in the email format you need to provide this kind of information, like in the subject box you need to write a subject like the email is regarding to cancellation of your subscription with Zeria. Okay, now in the body section you need to provide your name and your account number if you know anything related to your subscription, like starting date, end date, subscription plan, which product you are purchasing, and in the body you need to provide reason why you want to cancel, and in the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation. This is very important part. Okay, if you forget to ask a proof of cancellation, and if they cancel or not, how you will know? Okay, so what you have to do, you need to ask a proof of cancellation, like please provide a written proof that your subscription is ended. Okay, and once your email is done, okay, what you have to do, you need to find out their email. The email is info@tryzeria.com. so you can also find their email on their website also. You can get the same email, and once you send the email, you have to wait for 1 or 2 days. If you don't get any reply from their side, you need to reconnect with their customer support on the same email, and you need to ask a proof of cancellation. Okay, and until you don't get any proof of cancellation, it means your subscription is still active. Okay, and they will charge on your account again and again. So you need to keep in touch with their customer support regarding your cancellation, and you need to provide lots of emails. Okay, because there are lots of, you can say, reviews, and you can say comments on Trustpilot. They are all complaining like the subscription is really very hard to cancel. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any experience, please share your thought in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. Okay, your comment is a real problem, you can mentioning platform. So thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Hopefully this video will helpful for you. Okay, so bye bye, take care.